How to log in or sign up to Kraken Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can log in or sign up to Kraken Wallet or create new wallet on Kraken. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick. First things first, you can go ahead and open up your Kraken application, the wallet. You can get it on your Play Store or App Store easily. Once you have it, you want to go ahead and open it up, and on the homepage directly, you should be able to find the sign in or create account option. So what you want to do next is simply tap on create account option here. Once you do so, you'll have to enter in your email address. Once you have entered in your email address, tap on continue, and now you want to choose your password. Tap on next, and now once you have chosen your both password and email, tap on continue, choose your country of residence, and now you want to confirm the email, so you should get the email address. Once you get the email address, all you got to do is enter in your confirmation code here and then go to email here, then tap on next, and once you do so, once you confirm your email, it'll ask you to enter in certain personal IDs and such. You'll have to go through the prompts and you'll be able to create the wallet. So this is how you can easily create new wallet on Kraken. Hope this video helped. Do like, subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.